Go.
I forgot what I was gonna say, but that's okay. Just leave it. I'm Jessica, professional organizer, blogger, and I don't know, I was just gonna ramble off some stuff, but now that seems kind of weird. So whatever. We are in the kitchen section at the Container Store. I was gonna say what aisle, but I don't even know.
The turntable aisle.
In the turntable aisle. Bathroom section at the Container Store looking for my favorite stacking drawer organizers. I love these organizers because they come in a bunch of different sizes and they stack on top of each other. Won't use that one.
Sorry.
Turntables, Lazy Susans, revolving trays. Whatever you call them, they are a professional organizer's favorite secret gem. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Secret gem.